Alright, so this is problem 15. Problem 15, they give you a graph. They give you the derivative of the graph. So they don't give you the graph, they just give you the derivative of that graph. So they give you f prime of x. It says, use the graph to determine if the following statements about f are true or false. So 15, f is increasing on the interval -1 to 1 only. Alright, if we can graph the original function, we can easily answer all these questions from 14 to 17 or 18. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another coordinate plane right here, right exactly under this graph. And I'm going to get all these points and I'm going to line them up. So one goes here, and 2 goes here. We have -1 here, and we have -2 right here. So now it's perfectly aligned. So put this one right into this one, and this will be the graph of y equals f of x, the original. Alright, so now that I've already drawn this lines, erase this. Alright, so if we look at this, this is positive slope. These are positive numbers, since this is y, and this is x, your coordinate plane. These are positive y values, and since since f prime is the slope, and these are positive, then this must look something like this. This is increasing like this. Positive, positive, positive. At 2 it's 0, so that means there is slope of 0. Okay, so slope 0. After that, these y values are negative. So we have some negative slope here until we reach here. Actually, all this from the interval -2 to 0, these are all negative values, therefore negative slopes, until you get to 0, where the slope is 0. So this looks something like this. Negative, negative, and then it goes here, and it's 0 here. So let's draw this a little bit better. There we go. So it's 0 there. Okay, and then we go, this is positive, 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 all the way to 2. So at 2, there's another slope of 0. So let's draw this evenly. So we have something like that. Alright, there it's 0. And then after that, it's all the y values are negative here, so we have a negative slope. So that's what we have. So roughly, this is what y equals f of x looks like. With that given, we can easily answer this question. So f is increasing on the interval -1 to 1 only. So if you look at -1 to 1, it's decreasing and increasing. So this is totally false, and also from 1 to 2 is increasing, and from -infinity to -2 it's increasing. So this is automatically false. So as you can see, if you can draw the original function, all these questions will be answered very simple. Okay, and how I did that was exactly place another x and y coordinate right under this one, put all these points or all these values that are important right under each other, and start off from the left and go all the way to the right, and you will obtain your graph. With your graph, you can easily answer that.